Okay, in this video, we're going to show how to download and install the extension. If you have the direct link to it, just click that. You'll go there. If you need to search for it, you can go to Google and search for Google Chrome Store or Chrome Web Store, and you'll come to a page. It may look different because there'll be different extensions, but it'll look basically like this. Just come over to the search the store and type in custom domain creator and hit your return key. It may not show up. As we get more reviews, it'll come up a little higher, but if you don't see it, they only show 3 at a time here on the first page. Just click more extensions in the upper right-hand corner and then scroll down until you see it. There it is right there, custom domain creator. That is what the logo looks like, and click add to Chrome. And then you'll get a little menu. Depending on what browser you're using, it may look a little different, but you'll get an opportunity that asks you if you want to add the extension. Click add extension and then give it a moment. It'll take a second. And up here, you'll see custom domain creator has been added to Chrome. So it's in there. That is how to install it. In the next video, we'll show how to log in and do your initial setup.